And the gang stalking continues. There they are right there. Just over the billboard. See them? That looks like the Tulsa police. I bet it is. That's what they look like. That's what they look like, honey. Yeah, you little bastard. Don't try to hide behind the sign. Oh no, bitch, you're going on YouTube again, you cocksucker. Yeah, you gang stalking cocksucker. Yep. Don't be shy, bitch. You know you like to see me all the time. And guess what? I don't like seeing you, but I like exposing you for the criminal activities you're doing. Gang stalking is a crime, you fucker. You dumb fuck. Pathetic piece of shit. Look at him. See that? See how low he's flying? Yep. Yep. I bet that's a Tulsa Police Department. I bet you that's them. It looks like their helicopter. They're a pathetic piece of shit. Yep. Look at him. Yep. All right, let's find out who he is.